Okay, my name is Tawana. I'm from Edinburgh. I'm in my 4th year at Glasgow Uni studying English, and I also work for BBC Alpa from time to time. So I think my parents just really thought it was important that we had a connection to Scottish history when they came here, knowing that their children were going to be brought up in Scotland. So yeah, that was very important to them. That's how they came across it. It's a big part of my life, especially through work. I went on to work at my primary school. That was my first proper job, working at my Gaelic after school club. And then obviously now I work for BBC Alpa as well. I also work at phàirt Edinburgh doing the Gaelic singing classes. My sister has Gaelic too, so we're able to use it in the house. I think it's really important, just as I said, to be connected to Scotland's history. I think it's really important and should be acknowledged. I think it's also really good to have because it's nice to be part of the community. It's such a welcoming and just lovely community, I found. And yeah, I think it's fun. Just being able to speak another language is always a good thing, so why not? The best opportunity I've had because of Gaelic would probably be some of the work that I've done with BBC Alpa. I did a documentary in which I got to speak about how I came to the Gaelic world and my history with Gaelic and how my parents found Gaelic, and just got to share my story with others and also got to hear other people's stories of how they found Gaelic, so that was really interesting to be a part of. The documentary was called Afro Gael, and it was just different Afro Gaels like myself coming together, sharing our stories and experiences, and it was really lovely. I'd say I'm quite proud of the work that I did in school, just as part of the Bòrd, all the competitions that I did, and just finding my love for music through that, because it's become such a big part of my life now, and I feel like I have that to thank for it. A fun fact about me is that my parents are from Zimbabwe, so they speak Shona in the house, and I've always been able to understand everything, but I don't speak it much at all. My favourite word in Gaelic would be sona, just because I like the way it sounds and I think it's a lovely meaning too, just happy. Gaelic, Chànan, Chothrom, your language, your opportunity.